Hey guys! For this video, it's all about having fun with my two monster puppies. So sit tight and hopefully you enjoy watching this video. Welcome and thank you for checking out my channel. For this video, it's all about my Chihuahua puppies, who's now in their early 2 months old stage. They are a purebred Chihuahua puppies. I believe that this breed came from Mexico. They're one of the smallest dogs in the world, but their size is what makes them very, very special breed, especially to those who wanted a small breed dog. Their breed is very ideal to those who has a small house or a small place for the dogs to live in. And also this type of dog is not that difficult to maintain, or in other words, they are a low maintenance dogs that could help us, especially in these trying days when all the prices are going up because of the price of gasoline and diesel, which rises every week. So having a small breed of dog will make you save a lot for your family to use. And even though they are small, but the joy they gave back to you and the love they show unto you is immeasurable. And going back to these puppies, POPOL and JIMIN, they usually plays, but the kind of play that they do annoys their daddy and their mommy. It seems that they are fighting, and when the fight becomes serious for them, their mommy and or their daddy would step into them and break their fight. This is what makes watching these two puppies enjoyable. Isn't that amazing how a mommy dog disciplines her son? Look at it. When it seems that the puppies are hurting each other, their mommy would step in and break their fight, or their daddy will bark at them. These two tiny puppies would always chase you or follow you, not knowing that they are, because they are so small, and sometimes you wouldn't notice that you have hurt them because they'll just cry, but after that they would continue to chase you. So most of the time, especially when no one is around to look after them, we put them in a cage. But when someone is looking, one of the member of my family is looking after them, we let them out and they'll just play around. Whenever they are outside the cage, they had to be looked upon because they chew a lot, or maybe they can swallow a thing or an object that would not be good for them or harmful to them. Or sometimes you just have to break their fight if it becomes too serious like this. They do fight, especially when don't want to share a toy or a thing to one another. That's what ignites their fight. So hopefully that you enjoy watching this video. And if you're new to this channel, if by chance you like this video, please don't hesitate to subscribe and smash that like button. And by doing so, you're helping these puppies grow as well as our channel grows. Thank you guys and hope to see you again on our future video. Bye!